Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $2,000 a day in free passive income. Yes, you heard that right, $2,000 a day. If you're looking for a way to make money online without putting in a lot of effort, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. Passive income is a type of income that doesn't require active participation in order to earn it. This means you can make money while you sleep or while you're on vacation. The good news is that there are several ways to earn passive income online, and I'm going to share some of the most effective methods with you. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways to earn passive income is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service to your audience, and you earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. There are many affiliate programs out there, and you can find products to promote in almost any niche. Number 2. Dropshipping. Another way to earn passive income is through dropshipping. This is where you create an online store and sell products without actually holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. You make money from the difference between the wholesale and retail prices. Number 3. Investing. Investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate can also be a great way to earn passive income. While there is some risk involved, the potential for earning a high return on investment is also there. Just be sure to do your research and invest wisely. Number 4. Creating digital products. Creating digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or printables, is another way to earn passive income. Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without having to put in any additional effort. So, there you have it, guys. These are just a few of the ways you can earn $2,000 a day in free passive income. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, dropshipping, investing, or creating digital products, the key is to find something that you're passionate about and that you can stick with long term. Passive income takes time and effort to build, but once you've built it, it can provide financial freedom and flexibility. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your passive income streams today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips.